Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing the May Boxycharm unboxing. So I have not touched this box yet or opened it at all, so this is a true unboxing. I don't know what's in here and I'm so excited to see what's in here, guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back, boo. So let's go ahead and get this box open. You guys, I am just loving my twist out, okay? Like, I just love my hair. It's doing so well and it's just getting so healthy and it's just growing and flowing. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this box open here. Okay, so I want it open. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's the box, of course, and it has this. I hate it. I'm just gonna take that off and toss it to the side. I don't have the insert. That's weird. Like, I didn't get the insert card. You normally get one. Strange. But I don't have an insert card so that I can give you guys description on the products. That's so crazy, but I'll still just go through everything. So I'm just gonna put the box up here. So first up, we have this Murad here. This is the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Ooh, it's an eye cream. I love eye creams. And I do love Murad as a skincare brand. I first was introduced to Murad when I had a membership at Massage Envy. I would go like every 2 weeks and I would get my facials done and my massages. Oh, I miss it. I miss it. I miss it. But yes, Murad, I do like Murad as a brand. I believe it's more clinical, a more clinical brand. So this is an eye cream from them. It says deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract. Seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. Use AM and PM. Gently pat around the eye area. So I am so happy this came because I do have my first aid beauty eye cream that I love. I love that eye cream. But it's always good to have a backup, so I'm glad that I can save money. I can use this one and that one when that one runs out. And let me see. This is how much product comes in here is what I'm looking for. So you get a half fluid ounce, so 0.5 fluid ounces. So just gonna open it up. And okay, so this is what the container looks like. And I think this is gonna be a really good amount. I don't think I'm gonna have to buy yeah, that's a good amount of product. It's white, you can't see it, but it is a good amount of product. So that's really good for an eye cream because you don't need a lot. You just need a little and then you just tap around the whole area of the eye. So very glad to have that. Okay, next we have Deborah Lipman. What is this? Deborah Lipman, Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling. I don't know what this is. Is it like a lip balm? I don't know. Let me open it up. It literally doesn't say. Oh, this is, what is this? Ooh, nail polish. Nice. Okay. It's nail polish. Oh. I see. And both of these bottles are 0.27 fluid ounces or 8 milliliters. Oh, that's so nice. I'm gonna love painting my nails with this. I have been loving, like, on my self-care days, just painting my own nails. I haven't done them lately because I have a surprise coming in for you guys that I'm going to be showing you. But yes, I love to just paint my nails at home. I have like a roll of polish back here on my drawer. And so yeah, especially with me and my daughter, like sometimes it's like a mommy daughter day and we'll just paint each other's nails and toes and have like a spa self-care day. So I like that. Okay. What's next? This is Beauty Creations Cali Chick. I'm guessing this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm guessing this is an eyeshadow palette. But it doesn't say much about it. But from the looks of it, yes, this is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is cute. So that is what the palette looks like. And you guys know, like, this palette is definitely right up my alley. I love warm, neutral palettes for my eyes. Like, I just love that because I feel like it gives me such a natural look. I love, like, that natural nude makeup. So this is really pretty and the colors look really nice. This shade here, Boardwalk, looks pretty nice. So I'm just going to swatch a few of them here so you guys can see. So yeah, that's like really pigmented and opaque. Okay. So yeah, I like this and it's cute. It looks like something I'd definitely be able to travel with. So we'll have to do a video with this one, guys. But yeah, it looks nice. And once again, this is Beauty Creations Cali Chick eyeshadow palette. And I haven't heard of Beauty Creations as a brand, so I'm going to have to go and do a little research on them so I can have more information. But that's another one of the reasons why I really like getting these Boxycharm boxes, because it exposes me to brands that there's so many, you know, that I might not be able to check out. Okay, so next here is English Laundry number 7. Is this a perfume? Yes! Oh, this is a perfume. It's like Boxycharm read my mind this month. I got nail polish, got an eye cream, got an eyeshadow palette that's a warm toned. Like, yes, okay. So I don't have on any perfume. Girl. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good. Just gonna take a little of that, okay? Okay. Oh, I smell, this smells so good. I cannot explain it to you, the scent, but it smells so good. This is something I'll probably travel with and I'm going to use, because the only other perfume I have is my is that Marc Jacobs? Hold on, because I don't even remember. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so this is the only other perfume that I have. I kind of like ran out of all my other ones. And this is the Daisy Dreams by Marc Jacobs. There are like 2 others from Marc Jacobs that I want, but this smells so good. So now I have 2 scents to alternate between. So yes, that's nice. Okay, and then last is this one here. Let me get this open. I always struggle with opening things. Okay, Boxycharm come through. I wish they would have gave me an insert card though. Okay, so Pro Crown. So this is Pro Crown. Doesn't say much else, but I feel like this is an eyeshadow palette too. Like, I love eyeshadow palettes and perfume. Y'all, I'm just bougie, okay? I don't care. But I do have to do a purge of my makeup. I declutter my makeup every September. So I wonder what that's going to be like this year because everything that I have, I really love. But I'm going to try. I'm going to try my best. And this is just, do you see that? This is just gorgeous. This is gorgeous. The camera, it does not do it justice. This is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. And I love that the pans are big enough where whatever shade I put in my crease, like some of these I can use as blushes. And so I love that. Like, for example, this shade here I could use as a blush. This shade here I could use as a blush, like a very mauvey tone to it. So, oh my gosh. Yes, Boxycharm, come through. I am very satisfied this month with this month's Boxycharm box because some of the previous boxes I just weren't happy with. I was like, okay. But this month's box is legit, okay? So yeah, we'll have to do some videos with these eyeshadow palettes. But yes, I am liking this. And so my favorite item, I have two. My favorite items from the box is this perfume, like #1. English Laundry #7 perfume. I love the sleek design because that means that I can travel with it if I want to, like, you know, spray myself or take it on the go if I'm on vacation, something like that. So this one is my favorite. And then my next favorite would be these nail polishes. These are from, once again, these are from Deborah Lippmann. So I love nail polish because for those days where I can't get to the nail salon, like sometimes it's just a part of my self-care routine. I like to just sit up in my chair here and paint my nails and paint my toes. And so I'll definitely get a lot of use out of that. Plus I'm actually almost out of some of my nail polishes. My favorite nail polish brand is Sally Hansen. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do you guys know about any of these brands? I've never heard of English Laundry. I've never heard of Pro Crown, and I've never heard of Beauty Creations. So do you guys know about those brands? If so, let me know. If you get Boxycharm, what did you get in your box this month? Was it similar to mine, or did you get a different variation? All right, guys, so that's it today's video, and stay blessed. I will see you in the next one.